Do you know how to do plumbing in Plano, Texas? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do plumbing in Plano, Texas, and I'm going to teach you right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. Welcome back to another great video. If you've not been here before and you want to learn all things plumbing, please click on the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything. Plumbing in Plano, Texas is pretty much like plumbing everywhere else. Plano is really good to work with when it comes to the city inspectors. The plumbing inspectors in the city of Plano are really very knowledgeable people and they're good to work with. Most of them have been around for a while. The thing about all plumbing in Plano, all plumbing in Texas, you've got to be licensed. If you're using a handyman to do your work, if you're having just a general contractor also do your plumbing, you're going to realize later that you've got problems. We get calls all the time asking us, will we come out, inspect somebody else's work, and go ahead and pull a permit and do it? As a legal licensed plumber, I don't do that. And I don't think any other plumber should either. The Texas State Board of Plumbing Examiners is really good about making sure that most people that want to do things legally, that are good at making sure they do things legally. So it should be done by a licensed plumber. Now, Plano being in Texas, Texas has a statewide licensing. The good thing about that is, once you have a plumbing license in Texas, you are legally licensed to work in any of the cities. Now, there's different levels of it. You start off as an apprentice. You can become a tradesman, which lets you work in residential homes with just 2 years experience. You can become a journeyman, which lets you work in residential homes and work on commercial jobs, and you've got to have 4 years experience. If you go through the union apprenticeship program is a 5-year program, but you still will get your license if you pass everything before the 5th year. A master license is the next level license. A master license is what you have to have in order to pull permits, to get inspections, to do things right in the city of Plano. Now, Plano slab leak detection, things like that, you actually don't have to have a license to do slab leak detection. All you're doing is walking in with equipment and listening to plumbing. Now, our plumbers, the plumbers that we go out, that we used to send out for slab leak detection or for leak location in Plano, what we do is we send them out, and they are plumbers, so they understand your plumbing system. I like doing that a lot better, and that's why I don't just sub my work out to leak detection companies. When we go out, we find the job, we can actually look at it, give people a price to do the job, and we can do the work, we can pull the permits, we can get everything done, and we can make sure things get done right. Do you know, as a homeowner, if you are a homeowner in Plano and you want to do plumbing work in Plano, you can do your own work. If you're the homeowner and that is your registered homestead, you are legally allowed to do all the work that a plumber can do. If you're not sure whether it has to be permitted or inspected, call down to the city of Plano, talk to the Plano plumbing inspector if you can. If not, just talk to the building department and ask them if what you're doing requires an inspection and requires a permit. Anything else in Plano, anything else pretty much in Texas, if you've got a drain cleaning that you need done, cleaning a drain in Plano is like cleaning a drain anywhere else. You need to find out where the problem is. You need to get the right equipment. You can go to the box store, you can get a sewer machine, you can go buy a small sewer machine, you can do things like that. Drain cleaning, in general, make sure you're very careful. Those cables can twist up. If the sewer machine gets down in there and locks up, that motor keeps spinning, that cable tends to twist. It can pinch your fingers, it can rip your clothes, it can break a bone. If you've got a big enough sewer machine, it can really be a problem. I hope you've learned something from this. If you like this video, we've got other ones that we've made. Click on the links, look down below, leave a comment and let us know, have you done your own plumbing? And if you did you get it inspected? And don't worry, we're not going to tell anybody. Like I said, if you want to do your plumbing in Plano, you can handle it. My name's Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.